Good afternoon. Thanks for visiting my channel, Off-Grid Living with the Bennetts. So what I'd like to share with you today is my part of my purification system. I've done multiple videos talking about purifying my water, changing filters, all of that stuff, including my IBC Tote cover. Bought this cover from Amazon. I'll put it in the link below, but this cover would stop the algae from growing because it's waterproof. Algae grows from sunlight. I've seen multiple water totes outside in the sun beating on them, and that water goes in the house. You need to cover it up. Painting it, I did it, yes. The paint chips and falls off eventually. Water tote cover is the best way to go. I bought this on Amazon. The link will be below. But that's not what this video is about. What this video is about is, this is my leaf eater. Now, kind of tight in here, but it rained yesterday. And this came off the roof. Pine needles. Had I not had this, those pine needles would have tried to find their way into my my water tote. So this is called a leaf eater. I bought it from Amazon, and like I say, the link will be in the bottom of my video in the description. Wasn't that expensive, but it sure is good protection. I just hate having that stuff going into my tote. So that's the first thing I want to show you. Very, very easy to clean. Pop it off and it's clean. And it's that easy to put it back together. So that's my leaf eater. This down here is what I call my first flush. Now, like I say, it rained yesterday. We've got a little bit of pollen here. This is off the roof. This is essential. You need this. Basically, what this is, what happens, is I'll explain it to you. Water comes off the eave trough, goes into the leaf eater. From there, the water drops. Goes all the way down to the bottom. At the bottom, I've got this thing sitting inside. There's a little drain hole in the bottom. You see a little drain hole there? This is water. The water comes down to the bottom. Then what happens is the water goes through these little holes that are, when they're not plugged, and this ball rises. As it's rising, it's draining as well. It's just a little stream coming out. But this ball rises. And what this ball does is it goes up this pipe. I don't know how well you can see that. But this ball goes up the pipe. And as that pipe is filling up with water, this ball is rising. It's just a hollow, light little ball. It rises. It'll continue to rise till it gets to here. Once it gets to here, there's the way it's beveled, it's trapped. This ball can't go any higher than this. What happens is the water comes down the eave trough, down the pipe, goes around the ball, lifts the ball up till it gets to here. And once it gets to here, it's stuck. That's as high as it'll go. Then what happens is all the water is then diverted. The water is diverted and goes this way and goes into my tote. So inside my tote here I have a nylon stocking. So basically what happens is this here catches the debris off the roof. Here we got probably 3 to 5 gallons of water. I don't know. that's sitting in this pipe, which is the first bit of water off the roof, which is the water where you've got pine needles and you got bird doo-doo and all that sort of stuff. So once the ball is up here, then the water comes through here. So that has stopped a lot of stuff. A lot of the contaminants at the beginning of the rainstorm are sitting in here. The water then comes in here, comes into the tote. It goes into a nylon stocking. Then it's in the tote. Once it's in the tote, then I'll pump it into the house and send it through all its filters. The water that's in this pipe, because there's a hole at the bottom, a small hole, drain hole, that water will that water will be leaking out of that hole, and then this ball will start to go down. Once the ball gets to the bottom, then the ball sits there and it's ready for the next rainstorm. Now, what I do is after a rainstorm, I like to take this thing and clean it. Kind of does get a bit disgusting. So I'll be cleaning this now. So on the next rainstorm, that way the water can drain out the bottom easier. There's a hole there, it can get out, but it just looks better if it's clean. So this is called a first flush. I got this through Amazon. I've been using this for 1.5 years now, maybe 2 years. I'm really, really pleased with it. I would highly recommend you buying one of these. First flush from Amazon. And I would highly recommend getting a leaf eater from Amazon. And thirdly, I'd really recommend you getting one of these waterproof, dark colored tote covers. All 3 products will be in my description, and I think it's going to make your water a lot safer, a lot cleaner, better for you, better for your family. Anyways, thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you in the next video.